All right, what are we doing here? Let me get the gold chart out. Move that here. Look at her go. Looking good, looking good. Damn, we got a lot of people. No copyright sofa, low fee music. Damn, dude, people go crazy. Let's go this one. I know, that's actually wild. Look at gold go. I missed it, guys. I missed it. I missed it. No, I didn't miss shit. um, I know, he keeps pumping, dude. Look at him. Look at him go. Just through the roof right now. But yeah, purpose of this stream, I have been testing out some strategies, so I would like to get some reps in with them. Only evals, so yep. It's kind of loud. A little louder than I'd like it to be. I mean, the idea is if it's too loud for me, it's too loud for everyone, right? Yeah, she going. She going up. Damn, we're down 60 pips from open. Gapped up, came down, swept some liquidity. Gang, gang, motherfucker. Oh, what is this? Overlays built. I don't give a fuck about no overlays. Damn though. NQ, we just broke a level. I guess we can go into a quick analysis real quick. We ended off last Friday. Very, very big sell-off day. You can even see on, let me make this the 4-hour chart. Bada bing, bada boom. Pretty much, you know, rejected off the same, roughly the same level. Found support at a level we found support at pretty much all summer, all of July and / April. Looking weak, honestly. If we, you know, start pulling back here, we might go for a continuation sell-off next week. But yeah, what I want to see is I want to see buyers step in at this support level. A lot of buyers. If we can't start breaking levels back up and we start breaking levels back down, you know, that only really spells one thing, and that's continuation sell-off. But yeah, what a day. What a day. Facts. Alright, look at this spread. This spread is nasty right now. Look at that. Bid and ask is like almost 2 points. That's crazy work. Damn, look at gold. I'm mainly trying to look at gold. I probably don't want to trade NASDAQ at all, but this is just a forward testing session. So you guys see my chart, but I probably won't be doing any crazy executions. And Q pumping right now. Literally just straight to the level. Oh, let me get my eKitty P-bots. I don't know how this is the most obvious thing I've ever seen. That's just crazy to me. Still seems too loud for me. I feel like it just keeps getting louder and louder. Yeah, gold. Oh man, what is that? 70 pip range, 65 pip range. Still nowhere near a level on here. Would like to see it reject off of something. you know, we rejected off the highs right here, pretty much the same highs that we closed at last week. Now we're bouncing off of here. I mean, we've seen a couple bounces off here. I would love to see it tap a level though. Man, man, man. Interesting, NQ is rejecting at 23,509. Same level that we had issues breaking last week. We got this inversion right here. Now we're below the level. Got a nice wick. Interesting. I mean, the risk reward on this is like insane, right? So say you take this off of an inversion here at like this, and you're taking a short position, say right now, your stop is like 7 points, and your TP is like low of days, like 40 something, right? Now that would be insane. Hope it's not famous last words. Look at gold. Damn. It's not the strongest closure, but it is a closure. You know, under normal situations, I probably would take this trade. Like it is exactly what I would consider. The only thing I'm scared of would be like a wick up because we didn't quite grab this liquidity up here. We also don't have to, right? Going back off to like the swing high of last Friday. So we're like 9 points. There's no way, right? There's no way. There's no way. There's no way, right? But if I were to take, like, this would be almost clean. The only thing I wish it had taken this liquidity at the top. Yeah, I'm not in this trade. Just forward testing. And if I do take an execution this way, you guys can actually see it. So I'm not just trolling, right? So what have we seen? Say I were to take this down here, that's 5 points. It's 5 points. But you know what they do with like levels and shit? It's just like so low volume, and it's a holiday. Like this could just drop with like 20 contracts, right? So yeah. Oh yeah, you know, I should have just full ported the 6 cons. Oh, that would be crazy. You know, in terms of like A plus setups, sweep of liquidity at a high or a low, and then, you know, rejection right at a level, like this is textbook. Like this is, oh, let me get off this chart. Let me get the NQ chart. This is like textbook type shit. But I don't like, you know, I've never traded Asia, so it's like, what the fuck? I don't know what I'm doing. There's no liquidity down here either. Maybe here. This candle at 27. If target's low of day. Like that's crazy. That's crazy. My break even is 27 on a 9-point risk. But that's one of the things I like about Asia is like, if you have a solid setup, your risk to reward can be crazy. Just because of the nature of like how small the ranges are. So it's interesting to see. Here she goes. Right, the one thing I didn't like this trade was that I missed this liquidity sweep right here. Maybe that's what it's gonna do now. Maybe this is just a little bolito flag. And now it comes, resweeps. Yeah, that's what it looks like. I think we do sweep it. And that's why we test these things, right? We forward test them so that we know if the same type of thing applies. And the one thing that's different about this one relative is that we did not sweep liquidity. No, no, no. Here we go. Pretty sure we just continue higher here. Raw. That would be crazy. That would be insane, dude. No, the odds of that happening are so low. Ain't no fucking way. Ain't no fucking way. Ain't no fucking way, dude. Hey, yo. And here we go. Here's our imaginary stop loss swept right here. No, don't do it. No. Yeah, the blow on the candle trick is crazy. uh Yeah, I mean overall I'm so bullish on this market and I just can't seem to take a long to save my life, so I wouldn't be surprised if, you know, bounce off this support level, continue higher, but it's just kind of hard to take a trade. I mean, you would be taking it right around here, right? Once this candle formed to take longs, but who knows? Who knows? Who knows? It's just like, dude, I would be so bored sitting through trades like this, right? Like unimaginably bored. Wow, this is good. 30 pips? Sheesh. Maybe I should just keep my eyes on gold, guys. I missed. I mean, you had like right here. Look at that. That's like a lot of support and resistance right here from last Friday. She came down 30. She came down 30. 30. But like, you see what I mean? Like, it's so slow. I'd lose my mind waiting this out. And it looks like NQ's coming back down too. Quickly too. Shee, look at that double top! Damn, dog. Maybe I should get an eval for this. I don't know if I can actually. Let me see. New window. Let me see. Look at her go. A double, a re-inversion. This is an inversion inside of an inversion, gang. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. I never done something like this before. Nah, there's no point. There's no point. Dang it, look at gold. Look at gold. I could have gotten, what is this? 23 to 11, so 13 pips. 13 pips? Pretty good, dog. 13 pips? I would love 13 pips. Pretty big rejection. I don't know how people do this. Yeesh, double bottom. But it's like, why? Why go through all this pain? You know, it's been like a bajillion minutes. Like a trade like this would take forever to play out. I mean, look at all those buyers at a market opener. These are huge candles, but look how much it's slowed down. I hope you have it in my title, live forward testing. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, I think gold is probably better to trade during Asia. That bounce, look at that 20 pip bounce, 2-point bounce. Straight wildin'. Straight wildin'. Like the fall asleep vibes are crazy. Crazy. Another inversion. Yeah, there's just no volume. Like we've traded like 300 contracts in the last like 10 minutes. It's pretty bad. ES making lower lows. It's a great sign. Great sign. We call that an SMT. Actually, I don't think we call that an SMT. Like, the patience I think you need for Asia is something that I have not developed yet. Maybe I should get an account for this. Right? Maybe I should get an account for Asia just to, you know, test the little waters. Dude, it's so hard. What if I did though? What prop has a crazy sale right now? What prop? Alpha? Yeah, Apex has a crazy sale right now. If only I could trade Apex. Actually, Alpha has a pretty good one. Alpha Futures. $25% off. Look! Mom, I did it! Let me check. I might get an account just to trade Asia, bro. Like my tester. I would love to be conflicted between Lucid and Alpha. I just need one dedicated account. Alright, let's see. Let me start a challenge. It'd be the 0. 99.25 is like 75. I might as well just get a take profit trader at that point, no? Look at her go! We're doing it. Um, um, Alpha's great and all, but dude, I just don't think it doesn't make sense to not go TPT. I also just don't want the stress of trading more accounts, if that makes any sense. Whoa, this is gigantic. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Know what I'm saying? Look at her go! Look at her go! I know, I would love to trade an Apex account right now. I would love to. I think Lucid has a pretty good sale too. Lucid's pretty new though. Look, she's doing it, Mom. She's doing it. Do we go BE here? Oh, after we sweep this internal liquidity right here at 6 points? Is that BE? I mean, the idea is pretty crazy. Look at her go! Yeah, I also like my funded futures. I mean, that's the ideal lineup, right? We have 20 Apex, 5 take profit, 3 trade day, 6 blah 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 blah. I mean, at some point when you become comfortable, when you have the psychology developed, it doesn't make sense to not just copy trade every single prop firm, right? It just like it doesn't make sense at that point. Take Top Step, you take all of them, you just put them all together, and you just copy trade all of them, and bing bang boom, you're rich. You know, theoretically speaking, right? So why wouldn't you if you had the opportunity? How many points is that from the top? Like almost 15. Almost 15 points from the top. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Selling a double top is crazy though. Not really. Oh, I want to buy an account to trade so bad. I don't think you guys understand. It's just slow. Gold's moving. I love gold. I love gold. I mean, honestly, I think it makes more sense to trade like 5 p.m. You know, 3 p.m. is kind of wild, and you just get like a burst of momentum, and then it kind of dies out on you. But what do I know? What do I know? Damn, gold's pumping. Sheesh. 30 pips, 40 pips. Oh, I want to do it so bad, dude. I want to get a take profit trader account so bad. I think it's like 90 bucks for 25k. I mean, that's kind of expensive, but you know, for the vibes, for the vibes. I mean, even gold. Gold looks great here, right? You had an inversion. Alt Shift R. You had this inversion right here. Inversion, retest, and if you had just longer here, bing bang boom. Stops at swing low, 25 pips. Target, swing highs. Liquidity up here, 50 pips. No, she's going back up. But like, maybe I should. I want to get a TPT account. I want to get a take profit trader account. The thing is, like, it sucks because I missed this trade. Like, the thing that's nice about this one is like, broke above the 9 EMA, broke above VWAP. If you wanted a safer entry, you could have taken it on this bottom wick and you'd have a pretty similar entry here right off the 1 minute. Oh, that's what makes trading so hard. You know, I'm not used to trading this time zone, so I don't trade. It's like, so I don't really know how it works. Know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. The crazy part of it is just like staying calm through all of it. You know? No, I don't think they were obvious. I mean, you make a wick like that, typically you do fill it, so there's that. And if you took a long right around here when you pulled back, strong. Bum bum bum. Bum 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 bum. It might, dude. I mean, at this point, like, I'm straight BE, 27, 30 pips. Yeah, that's a BE trade right there. At that point. She's still going. Uh-huh. That's wild, and honestly. Bum 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 bum. That's wild. Yep, and there goes Stop loss. How many did this see? 33? It's pretty good. I don't know how people trade this. This is crazy. What the fuck? Interesting. Guess we'll see. That looks a little crazy. Here's break even. Oh, is it? No. Unlucky. But it's crazy to see. That's pretty good. Maximum was at 34. Probably 32 if we account for the spread. Oh, not bad. What would have been the initial risk? 24, so bigger than a 1-to-1. Oh, there's the liquidity sweep that we wanted to see on NQ. God damn, look at gold, bro. No, it's still flat. Something doesn't look right. Nope, that's not what I want to do. Look at that pump. That's crazy. 15 points. She keeps going higher. Little sus. I mean, if it don't move, it don't move. It's not really in our control. But I see a lot of people executing trades right now, and it's pretty crazy to me how they do it. Like, what is giving them the confidence to execute right now? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? A whole lot of nut. No clue. Yeah, I could just keep running, honestly. We have so much above. So many levels above that we could sweep after a sell-off like that. Just keep going up. Ouch. Does hurt. It's not moving at all. It's not moving at all. There's nothing to forward test. Can even long this. Ruh-roh. What's dumping right now? The NASDAQ up 63 is crazy. Maybe I come back when things start moving. I don't know how people trade this. Yeah, I'm gonna take a nap. This is a whole lot of, but it's good. Stream seems to be running well. Inbox. Things seem to be doing great. Stream's looking good. Maybe I'll make this more regular. Plans, get an account to trade Asia. That's my next step. I just gotta figure out what that account is gonna be. Probably Top Step. So yeah.